We are trying to figure out which of the quadrants, 1, 2, 3, or 4, contain this line x, y equal k. And they tell us that k is less than 0. Well, how do you multiply two things together and get a negative number that's less than 0? So that means either x is negative or y is negative. That's the only way you can multiply two numbers together and get a negative. Well, note that in quadrant 1, your x is positive and your y is positive because you went over x and up y. In quadrant 2, your x is negative but your y is positive. You went over negative, up positive. In quadrant 3, your x is negative and your y is negative because you went to the left and then down. And in quadrant 4, your x is positive but your y is negative because you went over positive x and then down negative y. So the answer has to be either 2 or 4 because here both of them are positive. X and y are positive. When you multiply them together, you get a positive number. And in quadrant 3, they're both negative, but when you multiply negative times a negative, you get a positive. So your answer then is quadrant 2 or 4, and that would be D.